I'm going to show you a hack on how to grow your Facebook fan page. And I have used this method to grow over 100 Facebook pages and groups, and they are the #1 in their category. I'll show you one of my clients' page. What my method is that I make the pages and then I create a group under that page, right? And then I create shareable posts. You cannot jump off topic or whatever, even though it's viral, okay? So once I create the post, I share it onto the group, and then I also join other groups through the page, not through your personal profile, but you join the groups with the page. And then when you get likes, you just click on the likes and you start inviting everybody, right? But if you don't want to do this one by one, it gets tiring when you have hundreds of likes, right? So what you want to do is go to your page and go to your Meta Business Suite. If you don't have this, you got to sign up for it. And you just scroll all the way down. And then you're going to see grow your audience. People who might want to follow your page, 281 of them. I try to do this every once a month or once every 2 weeks or whatever. And you just click on send invites. So you could click these one by one, but it's a waste of time. What I do is you click on choose reactions and click on likes, love, and haha, whatever. So you basically want to invite everybody that liked, love, and laughed at your posts. And then what you see is 281 of them, and then we're going to send them invites. So there we go. We have sent invites to follow our page to 281 people. But wait, there's more. So remember how I told you that you post on the groups through your page? There is this post that I was then posted on a group. So what you want to do is click on the likes over here, and you want to click on invite on everybody that you haven't invited yet. So I'm going to click invite. So this is extra. In each group that like your post, you could go there and you can invite them to your page as well. So this is the perks of sharing to groups through your Facebook fan page. So like this, you will grow your fan page and not your profile. Your profile is personal. You want to grow your business page, right? So what I would suggest you start posting on groups with your Facebook page. All right. So if you want to know how to set all this up, there's a way how you could create a group through your Facebook page and not through your personal profile. I can show you how to do it step by step. Please subscribe to my page and let me know if you have any questions.